Hey guys, have you ever walked into a Canadian grocery store as someone from Cebu and felt completely lost? The aisles are huge, everything's so expensive, and the vegetables, oh my goodness, the vegetables, they're gigantic. The first time I saw a Canadian carrot, I thought it was a weapon. I could fight off a monster with that thing. And don't even get me started on the fruit. Back home in Cebu, we have mangoes, lansones, santol, delicious fruits that make sense. Here, they have rhubarb. What even is rhubarb? It looks like a sugar cane that gave up on life. And the worst part? You have to cook it. Back home, if you have to cook a fruit, it means it's not ready to eat. Then there's the fish. I went looking for danggit, buwad, or at least some tilapia, but nope, all I found was salmon. I bought some because, I wanted to feel fancy. But when I cooked it, it had no flavor. I was about to eat it with my hands, but my Canadian friend was like, "Dude, use a fork." A fork? For fish? Sorry, but I'm from Cebu. If I don't use my hands to take the bones out of my fish, am I even really eating it? Now let's talk about bread. In Cebu, we have pandesal, ensaymada, pan bisaya, soft, delicious bread, perfect with coffee. Here in Canada, sourdough. First of all, why is it sour? Second, why is it so hard? I bought a loaf, brought it home, and when I dropped it on the floor, my downstairs neighbor called the police. They thought something bad was happening. And the milk. In Cebu, you just buy Bear Brand or Alaska. Easy peasy. But here, 1% milk, 2% milk, whole milk, almond milk, oat milk, what is all of this? I just want some milk, not a math problem. But the real challenge? The self-checkout. I was scanning my groceries and the machine said, "Please place the item in the bagging area." I did. Then it said, "Unexpected item in bagging area." I took it out. Then it said, "Please return the item to the bagging area." Seriously, the machine was messing with me. But hey, as long as there's rice, we'll be okay. And yes, I did find rice. But when I went to pay, the cashier asked, "Do you want a bag?" I said, "No thanks, I'll carry it." Because I might be in Canada, but I'm still from Cebu. I can carry a 50-pound bag of rice like it's nothing.